Hey everybody, Pinchy Al here, and we're working hard, as you can see, with our kits that we've been offering on our online store. And I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown of the entire kit and what you get right now until Friday for $70 plus 15% off your entire order. Alright, using promo code MK4 number 4. So MK number 4 kids. And this is what you get in your kit. So I'm going to break it down first. So number one, you get a 1 1/4 coolant filler neck with a 20 psi radiator cap, and then you got yourself a little bleeder here, so you can use a reservoir if you want to. All right. These are handmade power steering brackets that I created to relocate your power steering reservoir. Out of sight, out of mind status, you know. We had these powder coated glossy black for you for no additional charge. It's just part of the kit. I legitimately hand bend these, and then I heat them up right here in the corner, and then I literally bend them by hand to get them at this angle, and then I drill them with the brand new drill press I just picked up. So I'm pretty happy that we guys got something really nice for you. Next is your accessory kit here. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the bag. So in the bag you get 4 clamps, you get a coolant bypass, and I'll explain why you get this. You also get the little cap right here, this little nipple cap. You guys can see this one. This one is the one that sits by the upper radiator hose, the one that has that random little hose that goes over the top of your engine. This is the cap for that. This one here is the cap for the Y pipe that sits on the left side of your engine by the coolant ball. Now the reason why I provide this, because I'm giving you guys 2 choices with your kit. Okay, now if you feel uneasy taking apart those hoses just because of the age, that Y pipe has 3, it's a 3 tip pipe. You only need to take off one of them, which is the one that goes to the coolant ball, and this cap will go on top of that. And I provide you the clamp right here in the baggie to pretty much seal that shut. Now if you want a cleaner look in your engine bay, that's what this is for. This is for it's a union. So when you take that white pipe off, you're gonna have 2 separate hoses, 2 separate sizes. One's gonna be a 1/4 inch, and one's gonna be 5/8. You're gonna put these guys in there and join them up and use the clamps provided, or I also highly recommend you reusing the factory clamps, which are actually way better than this. Alright, next is your hardware for your power steering relocation bracket. Now I give you a 12mm long M6 bolt, 2 M6 nuts, and 2 locking washers. Everything I'm providing you is 100% stainless steel, so no rusting. Now the reason why I provide you with 2 nuts is very important. You're going to be reusing the power steering reservoir bolt. It's that really long, about 30 millimeters long. It's about this long, about 2 inches long. That bolt, you can configure your power steering reservoir 2 ways. Number one, you can mount it underneath the bracket. So if you want to, you can mount it underneath here or on top. That's why this bracket is made this way. So you can give yourself a configuration option based on your intercooler setup. This design gives you the ability to accommodate from our intercoolers varying different diameters, and that's the whole purpose of that bracket, so you can mount it on top or underneath it, and it gets out of the way of your intercooler pipe. So very, very neat. I love the way I designed it. Works really, really well. The last part of your entire kit here is over there, and that's 4 feet of power steering return hose. Very important that you use return hose, not just a random piece of rubber hose. The reason why, because power steering does get hot, and with heat the hose itself over time will just collapse and then cause restrictions of flow, and you're just gonna have problems. And this is why we provide that as well. That's more than enough actually hose. You're gonna be cutting off about 1 foot extra, but I provide it because if you give yourself a boo-boo, you can reuse another section of it and try to get it all taken care of. But yeah, this is the whole kit in a nutshell. I got 10 kits shipping out. You guys have ordered a couple more, so I'm gonna have to get more made. But thank you guys so much for your huge interest in this kit. You guys don't understand how much time I've actually designed this. Even though it's very, very simple, it took me 2 years to reassure that this kit will work. It's actually been on my white Mark IV filbert for 2 years without a single hiccup. So I'm glad to actually introduce this product to you guys, because it's exciting, because this will clean up your engine bay substantially, guys. Like, you have no idea. Another kit that's coming up very soon is a battery relocation kit. We're going to be providing a kit to relocate your battery into the trunk, with a metal battery tie down, with a tray, all the gauge wires, all the terminals you need, and the actual distribution block that you will require to install your relocation kit and set up a battery in your trunk or in your wheel well versus in your engine bay. So it's another kit, so stay tuned for so much more, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a big thanks for being very excited for this product. And a lot of you guys outside of the United States, I do ship anywhere in the world. UK, South Africa, Australia, Japan, China, you name it, I will ship it there. There is a process. Definitely go to my online store, and at the very top of the online store there's an international orders tab. You click on that, follow the instructions, and get your order made. This is very important for you guys. Everything I do you can use through credit card. No PayPal or Venmo required. I send you an invoice, you pay for the invoice. No PayPal is needed to do that process, just so you guys know. So a lot of you people who are scared of using PayPal or something like that, don't worry about it. You're taken care of through Pinchial's Garage. We got it all able. You'll get an invoice through PayPal, but you don't have to make an account to pay for it. Alright, guys? Thanks again. Be excited, because we have another product line coming very soon. Thank you again, and have a wonderful night, everyone. Thank you from Pinchial's Garage.